Milwaukee M18 FUEL 24-inch hedge trimmer kit, 27-26-21 HD review. Real power, cleaner cuts. You ever start trimming and realize halfway through that your arms are already tired? One homeowner told me he spent 5 hours fighting an old corded trimmer, stopping every few minutes to untangle the cable. It gets old fast. The job feels heavier than it should. If that sounds familiar, you know the frustration, right? It is not just physical strain. It is the creeping pressure of unfinished work and lost weekends. A landscaper once admitted he avoided a thick hedge line because the noise and vibration felt overwhelming by mid-morning. Quiet burnout. That buzzing in your hands, the smell of fuel, the wasted setup time, it all adds up. You want control without chaos. This is where the Milwaukee M18 FUEL 24-inch hedge trimmer kit, model 27-26-21 HD, earns its place. Don't just pick any hedge trimmer. Make sure it has a power state brushless motor with an 8 amp hour high output battery so you avoid power drop-off in dense, wet growth. That combination keeps the 3,400 strokes per minute steady under load, which means cleaner cuts and fewer jams. One state groundskeeper nearly missed a morning deadline shaping formal hedges before guests arrived. He swapped in the 8 amp hour pack, pressed the trigger, and finished the run in one focused stretch. Smooth recovery. The 24-inch dual-action blades reduce vibration while slicing through branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick, and the pivoting rear handle keeps your wrist neutral when trimming tall sides. The anti-vibration system genuinely eases fatigue during longer sessions. Even the mechanical blade brake stops motion instantly when you release the trigger. It feels deliberate. If you are already invested in the M18 ecosystem, it slides into your workflow without extra chargers or new batteries. Small bonus, many pros quietly use it for light brush clearing beyond formal hedges. Here is how the benefits stack up in real use. Immediate result? You cut faster and reposition less because the extended 24-inch blade covers more hedge in each pass. Weekly win? Reduced vibration means less arm fatigue, so your focus stays sharp deeper into the day. Long-term freedom? No carburetor issues, no fuel mixing, no pull cords. Just charge, click, and trim. A professional landscaper shared, "It matches our gas trimmers in power, but saves us from maintenance headaches." An influencer noted that the 8 amp hour battery keeps the stroke rate from dipping even in thick privet. An industry analyst highlighted Milwaukee's strategy of bundling a high output battery to solve the common cordless runtime complaint. One real user wrote, "It knocked out in 90 minutes what took me 5 hours last year." I noticed after several sessions that the balance helps maintain clean lines without overcorrecting. Some mention the weight, which is fair, but it is still lighter and cleaner than most gas models. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. Which matters more to you, runtime or vibration control? The Milwaukee M18 FUEL 24-inch hedge trimmer kit, model 27-26-21 HD, brings steady power, long runtime, and real comfort into demanding hedge work. Join the many creators and crews already seeing smoother workflows and cleaner results. Outcomes may vary based on battery choice and usage. It is a practical upgrade, not a flashy one. Simple shift. Click the link below to explore the details and see how it fits your trimming routine today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.